Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up business entertainment rules to stay IRS compliant. Complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding business entertainment rules is essential for maintaining IRS compliance. First, familiarize yourself with the IRS guidelines regarding business entertainment expenses. The IRS allows deductions for expenses that are directly related to the active conduct of your business. Determine what qualifies as a business entertainment expense. This may include meals, entertainment activities, and certain gifts. Keep in mind that expenses must be directly associated with your business operations. Next, establish a clear policy within your organization. Document the purpose of entertainment expenses. Include who will be entertained and the anticipated business outcomes. Prepare an outline for your business entertainment guidelines. This should include spending limits and acceptable activities. Designate responsible individuals to approve entertainment expenses. Ensure all employees are aware of the rules. Choose a method for tracking expenses. This may be through software or spreadsheets that maintain accurate records. It's crucial to retain all receipts and documentation related to these expenses. Each receipt should detail the amount, date, location, and purpose of the entertainment. Train employees on the importance of compliance. Explain how adhering to these rules benefits both the business and the individual. Review and update your entertainment policy regularly. This will ensure it remains relevant and compliant with IRS requirements. Finally, consider consulting a tax professional for additional guidance. They can provide insights tailored to your specific business situation. By setting clear business entertainment rules, you enhance accountability and compliance. This not only protects your business but also promotes a culture of integrity and transparency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.